Look at this answer. It's not an answer, it's a painting. First, memorize these keywords. Purple words show feelings, emotions. Blue words show visual examples, things you can see. Green words show a real world connection. Yellow is a deep thought which you write after an example. So first memorize these keywords, then I will show you my answer. So if suppose they ask you an IELTS speaking exam, what's your favorite subject and why? My favorite subject is physics because it's the secret key to the universe. I have always been deeply curious about black holes, space and galaxies. Physics lets me explore things which deeply fascinate me. For instance, I recently read a book on how NASA computers rely on physics to send spaceships and satellites to planets. I was captivated. Physics explains things that are billions of light years away, and that is why I enjoy it so much. Now these words, deeply curious, fascinate, enjoy, captivated, they are showing your emotions, that you are deeply fascinated by it, that physics genuinely fascinate you, that you enjoy physics, that you genuinely are curious and fascinated by physics. So the words like curious, fascinate and enjoy show emotions. So purple words are feelings, emotions. Now black holes are visual examples, things you can see. Black holes, space, galaxies, spaceships and satellites to the planets. These are the visual examples, things you can actually see. So these are blue words. And green is a real world connection, that you connected physics with a real world phenomenon, that NASA computers rely on physics to send spaceships to the galaxies, to distant planets, to get information. So now this is a real world connection, because this is actually true. NASA actually sends spaceships to get information. So this is a real world thing, and you showed a real world connection in green word. NASA computers rely on physics. Now yellow is a deep thought which you write after example, that physics explains things that are billions of light years away, and that is why I enjoy it so much. So if you add, now I'm giving you a mini challenge. Write any answer using one or two colors, and it will easily push your band score higher. Write your answer using at least two colors, and it will instantly push your band score higher. So don't give answers, don't give boring answers. Okay, if your answer sounds like a textbook, your band score stays basic. But if your answer is like a discovery, then your band score you will get a 9 band score. So use these colors, feelings, emotions, visual examples, things you can see, like spaceships, black holes, galaxies. These are visual examples you can actually see. You're not telling the answer, you're showing the answer. These are the things you can actually see: black holes, space, galaxies. Because when you add these things in your answer, you can actually see that this is true. That you're not just saying that physics is interesting. You're showing that why it is interesting, because it lets you explore things things like black holes, planets, galaxies. You're showing the answer. So visual example, blue. And then yellow is a deep thought. After explaining that why it fascinates you, you said that physics explains things that are billions of light years away. It's true. Physics explains things that are billions of light years away, like distant planets, galaxies that are billions of light years away. So it's a deep thought, which concludes your answer perfectly, and that is why I enjoy it so much. Okay. Show, don't tell, show. If your answer is like a textbook, your band score stays basic. But if your answer is like a discovery, you will score a higher band score. Real world connection. It's very important to connect your answer with something which actually happens in the world. Like NASA computers rely on physics, it's true. So you explained that physics, your favorite subject, you connected your favorite subject, physics, with a real world example. So now all of these details make your answer band 9 worthy. So if now I'm giving you a mini challenge, update your any answer using these and at least 2 of these colors, and it will instantly push your band score higher. Hope you enjoyed my lesson. I teach IELTS through coloring methods. Even my IELTS writing lessons. It was an IELTS speaking lesson, but even IELTS writing lessons, IELTS essays, I teach through coloring methods. I teach through secret color methods, and it's very interesting and yet very outstanding. It actually works. So if you are serious about scoring band 9, then do subscribe me and stay tuned for more such lessons. Thank you.